Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Well, today is an exciting day. We have the heart of the cabin installed. This is the Blaze King Princess 32. I just installed it, got the pipe in, and super excited to now be able to work in this house while I build it and have some warmth. So, initial burn. I did the hearth last weekend. Porcelain tile, color is slate, and then I put some flat, I guess I call it like a river stone. They come in sheets, and then I just pulled them off the sheet and then made a border with some wood, and then got them all stuck in there. The mortar is still needing to be done, but it's a little bit cold, so we're gonna wait on that. So initial burn, it's almost to the point. Actually, it is now. It's in the active zone, which is exciting. So we're gonna close the damper, and we're gonna activate the catalytic. Okay, I heard it click there, and then we're gonna take this air and probably go halfway. Right there. Obviously, there's no insulation in the whole house, so I might be leaving that almost on full. So we'll watch this fire die down a little bit and then produce some good heat. So super excited, guys. Thanks for tuning in. And I will make some more videos, as I am making a stone wall that goes from the bottom all the way to the roof. So 15 feet. I'm going to be doing a stone wall there. Evo stone. So exciting product. Not cheap, but I'm excited to work with it. And I will be doing videos right away after I start installing that. So stay tuned and please subscribe. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.